Couple things we're going to be reviewing today. A couple new flashlights sent to us by Olight. Very nice looking light. So there's a couple of things I wanted to point out about this light. Lanyard. One of the main things is the charger. So I'm going to go ahead and charge this up, and we'll take it out into the field and see how it works. So I just thought I'd quickly show this. You guys can see the specifications for yourself. Let's go ahead and open this one, and then we're going to take this out and try these both out. Nice little pocket light here. We got both flashlights here, so we're gonna go ahead out and test these puppies out, see how they work. They sent us a patch as well. Got a perfect spot for that on my backpack. Alright, so let's take a look at these and we'll see you guys out in the field. It's about 10 p.m. and we're going to be taking a look at these two lights. We'll quickly take a look at this one first. So small, very small light, but very handy. You can see some of the settings here. 180 lumens on high, 60 meter beam for 21 minutes, low 5 lumens, 12 meter beam distance for 16 hours. So let's see how bright this is. We're going to turn the flash off on the camera. Okay, so it is just about 10 o'clock. You can see the nice star in the sky. Prospecting partners over there. So we'll just see how bright it is. So here is your setting, which lasts for 16 hours. So it's decently bright for a tiny little flashlight, and then here's the next one up. So that's pretty good for how small this is. Definitely be able to see what you're doing out at night. You can see the fact that there's disseminated sulfides throughout this entire rock, even on your low setting. So a really handy light to have. Now let's go take a look at the main event. So there we go, look at that. That's a really nice light. Lights up the entire quarry. So what we're going to do is we are going to take a bit of this ore, we're going to actually crush it up, and using our flashlight we are going to illuminate the whole area when we pan this out and when we crush this. What we're going to do is we are going to see how strong this light is before we go ahead and crush some more. Let's see how it works against a rock. So, tiny little chip out of it, but still working. So we are testing out the light, and he's pulling samples from up there for crushing. We're going to be pulling some of this gossinous stuff as well as some of the solid mineral. We found a couple spots when we were here the other day where you can see the red rock, which is just oxidized rusty rock, and that when we crushed it had sort of chunky free mill gold. Okay, so right now my prospecting partner is hammering these into bite-sized pieces so we can fit them in the crusher. We got our solid mineral here, we're getting our gossinous ones here. There's a couple things I like to mention about the flashlight. Model that we're reviewing has a 4000 battery. The one that you guys will actually get has been upgraded to a 5000, and you will see a significantly longer lifetime for using this. A couple other things. Tomorrow, the 29th of August, there's going to be a sale, and it's only for this flashlight. You have the option of a black or blue model. You're going to get 30% off if you click on the link in the description. The blue color is a limited edition. There's only 50 pieces, only in Canada, and limit 2 per person. If you buy the bundle with the Seeker 2 and the i3T Desert Tan mini flashlight, you'll get 40% off. If you spend over 139 Canadian, you'll get one LDOC kit for free. Spend over 199 and you'll get the S1mini HCRI for free. So definitely check out their website, check out the link in the description. You won't want to miss out on a sale like this. So we're almost done our hammering of ore here. We're going to crush it up with our mini crusher, and then we'll take this down to the creek and pound it out. Alrighty, so we got our flashlight, we got our crusher here. I'm going to hold the flashlight in my mouth. We're just going to crush a bunch of these up. Alright, so we got a little bit more left here. So far we've been on the high setting the whole time. We're going to turn it down a bit to the lowest. Alright, we got our crushed ore. We're going to head down to the water now and pound this out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pan. Going to shut off our camera lights and just use the Seeker 2. So we have almost 3 pounds of material that we crushed, and we found a nice gold bearing area, so we're going to see what comes out of this. We're going to lose any super fine stuff. That's just a given because a lot of it's crushed really fine. So we'll see if we get any. Alright, let's pan this out. So I'm panning off a lot of the sulfides. Hopefully there's some gold left behind. Okay, we got our last little bit here. Pan off a few of the super fines, you can see that. We got some gold. Take a look at that. Really fine. I'd say we're looking at about 15 pieces that we can see. Put the flashlight on a bit lower. Good gold. The sulfides we panned off. So that's the Seeker 2. Really awesome flashlight, worked really well. Really enjoyed reviewing this. There's one last thing we're going to do. We're going to see how well this holds up to being run over by my truck. Okay, so that didn't break it, so I really don't know what to do with this thing. Anyway, that's the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the indestructible flashlight. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.